You know, honestly, the parades this evening went without a hitch. Didn't really have as much rainfall as we thought, at least in terms of the intensity. Thankfully, that kind of got cut off. Now, showers, thunderstorms are already starting to move into our area down toward Thibodaux and Houma, parts of Baton Rouge, a little bit outside of our area, and farther west, even more rainfall. This is all the last round of rainfall that will finally move out by early tomorrow morning. Most of the day Saturday will be dry. We'll likely wake up with some rumbles of thunder. We'll likely hear those overnight tonight, but then by 8, 9 a.m., I think the rain is gone, rest of the day drying out and then turning cooler and less humid by tomorrow night, which then also means no fog conditions Saturday going into Sunday. So a lot of moisture around here is kind of the last remnants of the lasts of those storms. Now the model has kind of picked up on these storms that are developing down to our southwest. And so I do think we will see more of these over the next couple of hours and even more as we get toward daybreak. Now the line of storms will kind of set up and begin moving into the Baton Rouge area probably before dawn. So maybe starting to move into Tangi before sunrise. More of the North Shore, maybe toward the metro area, river parishes down the bayou by about 6 a.m. Quickly moving through the city after about 8. I think the North Shore is in the clear, as is much of the metro area. Down toward the coast, still kind of the leftover showers at the mouth of the river at about 9:30, and then the rest of the day Saturday will be dry. Dew points, humidity will be coming down later in the day along with temperatures, but it'll still be on the mild to more humid side for the start of our Saturday. Visibilities are not bad at all. In fact, fog advisory in effect until 10 a.m., but at the moment, no fog on the map, and visibility is just fine looking out toward downtown. 62-degree temperature, 61-degree dew point, so humidity is at 96% right now. Maybe a little bit more of a breeze and some of these showers moving in, kind of preventing the fog from developing, but it really is not an issue at the moment. That quickly, though, could change with the high humidity. We are in the 60s outside right now with, again, dew points about the same. We're not going to get into that drier air, as I mentioned, right behind the front. That will start happening throughout the afternoon and certainly into the evening and night. And that's also when we'll start to see those temperatures coming down. So highs peaking upper 60s, maybe near 70 degrees in the early afternoon. And then as we head later into the evening, starting to turn a little cooler and breezy. So while it will be a mild day, kind of a cool but drier night if you're headed out to the parades tomorrow night. This is the last of our upper disturbances, which will be bringing in that rain chance early tomorrow. Then finally, this upper troughing moves away, and we're going to get more of a northerly flow for most of next week. That means we bring down cooler, drier air, and that looks to be a pattern which continues through all of next week. And also not bitterly cold. We will see 30s and 40s, but no freezing temperatures. Maybe a couple of mornings, a little patchy frost, but that would be about as cold as we're going to get. We've dealt with the freezing temperatures. We need a little bit of a break, and while sometimes it is nice to have that cool down, we need just more of a kind of neutral pattern coming into the big parade weekends on the way. Our disturbance is moving away. We'll have those rain chances with us during the overnight, wrapping up early tomorrow morning, and then the rest of the weekend will be dry. We'll keep that low end threat for some more isolated flooding, really not because of the additional accumulation. Those are fairly low because this will be a fairly fast moving system. It's that the ground is completely saturated, and any brief downpours could quickly lead to some street flooding. Again, thankfully, most of that will threaten early tomorrow morning, so a lot of folks won't be on the roadways when we have our greatest flooding threat. And again, even that is fairly low compared to what we have seen the last several days. So that rain chance early tomorrow morning, most of the day is dry. Temperatures come down for Saturday night, Sunday, Monday, highs staying in the 50s, and very pleasant, cool weather for all of next week.